Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by checking what happened and giving immediate support. Feel where pain is worst and rate it 1 to 10. This guides intensity. Swap to a lower or higher pillow by 0. 1. 5 inches to test neck alignment and place a rolled towel in the shoulder gap if you sleep on your side. Apply a 10-15 minute ice pack to reduce acute inflammation, then let skin normalize. Make sure to keep breath steady and avoid sudden neck turns while you start these adjustments. Once pain is partly controlled, you mobilize and retrain the muscles to hold better posture. Perform 5 slow nods, 5 rotations, and 5 lateral bends. Move within pain-free limits and breathe through each rep. Follow with scapular retraction. Squeeze shoulder blades together for 2 seconds, 3 sets of 10, which rebalances the upper back versus forward shoulders. Use a tennis ball for 1-2 minutes of gentle trigger point work on the trapezius. This reduces tightness and makes sleeping alignment. To finish, you set up a sleep position that protects your neck. If you sleep on your back, use a thin cervical pillow and place a cushion under knees. If side sleeping, the pillow should fill the gap between ear and shoulder so the neck stays neutral. Make sure sheets and mattress aren't bunching under you. If pain stays the same or worsens after 72 hours, or you get numbness or weakness, stop self-care and consult a clinician for targeted treatment and imaging if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.